Alright, so first you're going to start off with some almonds, oats, and coconut flakes. Then you're just going to pulse that until you get a flour-like texture. And it should look something similar to this. Then you're going to add in the chai spices, some turmeric, you can add more or less here, and then the dates. And then you're just going to blend that again until you have a soft dough and the dough sticks together between your fingers and doesn't fall apart. Then taking about a tablespoon of dough, you're just going to mold it into a ball in between the palms of your hands, and then you can roll it in toasted coconut if you'd like, or you can just leave it as is and then store it in an airtight container for up to a week in the fridge. And enjoy.